Imagine standing alone in an icy valley thousands of years ago. The freezing wind whistles through the empty landscape. Somewhere in the darkness, glowing eyes are watching you. They're wolves, the greatest hunters of the Ice Age. Every instinct tells you to run. But something incredible happened instead. Those terrifying predators eventually became our closest companions. Today, dogs live beside us, all over the world. They protect us, help us, and become part of our families. But how did this unbelievable friendship begin? The answer may completely change the way you see every dog. Let's travel back to the Ice Age, where everything started. 20,000 years ago, Earth looked completely different. Huge sheets of ice covered enormous parts of the world. The air was colder, and survival was never easy. Small groups of humans wandered across endless frozen plains. They followed giant herds wherever food could be found. Every successful hunt meant another chance to survive. But humans weren't the only expert hunters. Gray wolves were tracking the very same animals. For thousands of years, both species shared the same wilderness. That should have made them lifelong rivals. As night fell, a small human camp settled beside a warm fire. The hunters shared food after another difficult day. They couldn't eat every bone and every scrap. Those leftovers didn't stay alone for very long. Hidden beyond the firelight, wolves were quietly watching. Most wolves kept their distance. Humans were powerful, unpredictable, and dangerous. Getting too close could easily mean death. But one young wolf reacted differently. Curiosity slowly became stronger than fear. Friendship didn't begin in a single day. It grew through thousands of small encounters. Every peaceful meeting made fear a little weaker. The wolves learned that humans meant food. Humans learned that these wolves weren't attacking. Then, something remarkable happened. The wolf noticed danger before anyone else. It growled softly toward the darkness. The humans immediately became alert. Moments later, a hungry predator appeared. Nature was quietly running an experiment. Every wolf was born with a slightly different personality. Some were aggressive. Others were too afraid to go anywhere near people. But the calm and curious wolves found a better opportunity. They found food without risking exhausting hunts. That extra food made survival a little easier. Healthy wolves raised more healthy pups. Those pups inherited many of the same calm behaviors. Generation after generation, the change became impossible to stop. The first dogs earned their place by helping humans survive. They weren't pets yet, they were partners. A dog's nose could find prey that humans couldn't. Its sharp ears heard danger from far away. Together, they became better hunters than either could be alone. The partnership made hunting more successful. That meant more food for everyone. At night, The dogs guarded the camp. They warned people before danger arrived. Once again, both species protected each other. But how do scientists know any of this happened? The answer was hidden inside every living dog. DNA is like a biological history book. It preserves clues from thousands of generations. Scientists compared the DNA of dogs and wolves. The similarities were impossible to ignore. Both species shared an ancient common ancestor. That ancestor no longer exists today. Exactly where dogs first appeared is still being debated. Different discoveries sometimes tell slightly different stories. Everything began with one simple campfire. A hungry wolf and a determined human. Neither knew they were about to change history. Together, they became stronger than either could ever be alone. They hunted together. They protected each other. They survived because they trusted one another. That trust has lasted for thousands of years. Today, dogs live beside us almost everywhere on Earth. But every dog still carries a piece of its wild past. The next time a dog looks into your eyes, remember the wolf that first chose curiosity over fear. That single choice changed both of our species forever. So, what do you think? Did humans domesticate wolves, or did wolves choose us first? If you enjoyed this journey into our ancient past, subscribe for more stories that reveal how small moments shaped human history. Your dog may sleep on a soft bed today, but its story began in the wild. Many of the behaviors we see today are ancient survival instincts. Why does your dog circle before lying down? Wild wolves flattened grass and snow to make a safer resting place. Why do dogs bury bones and toys? Their wolf ancestors buried extra food to save it for later. Even the way dogs communicate has deep wolf roots. But dogs also evolved, something wolves never did. Subscribe this channel and watch more videos.